What's up, guys? Today we're making... Here's my friend Parker again. Say hello, Parker.
Wello.
Alright, and today we're gonna be making a secret base in IamCat. Don't forget
But where should we...
Yeah, true.
Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video.
Yeah.
Alright.
Soon we might be live streaming every Saturday or something. Soon I might get an account on Twitch, blah blah blah, all that stuff. So yes, like and subscribe to join the Burb Bros.
Now, Tristan.
Yeah?
Come here.
All
the
right.
perfect place to build a secret room.
Yeah, I already has some good decorations, but how are we gonna get it over there? And I'll get this. I'll cook some steak.
Hang on, wait. We have to get up there and decide what we need to put in our room.
Well, I'm cooking some steak.
Hey, you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. I'm cooking some steak for the room.
The observatory is already a pretty good place, but we need to add some more stuff. The first thing that came to mind is entertainment.
All right, so
the first thing that came to mind is entertainment.
Yeah, that makes sense. No.
Help!
Yes.
So what should we use for entertainment?
I don't know. How about you get the entertainment, I get the steak. Poop guns. Parker. Parker. We get the poop guns. Parker, how about we get the pigeons and use them as toy guns?
Yes. No, where is it? We gotta get our liquids. That's why we need this bottle.
Oh yeah, we can't have a secret base without water. Prime rib. Prime rib. Prime rib. You don't suck, Parker. No! No, mother...
We promise we're gonna have a secret base.
Yeah. And try to be close to me when you talk.
Where is the bottle?
Wait, this is... The observatory is floating, right?
We need to get eyes on... We need to get eyes on our enemy. We need to get eyes on our enemy.
Let's bring the compass too, because the observatory is floating, right?
Yeah.
So it can travel.
Well, technically it's connected to a string, but what if we broke it?
Yeah, true. Oh, and guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Tristan!
Like and subscribe to join the Burb Bros.
Alright, Tristan, that's enough.
Fine. But how else are we gonna get them to like and subscribe?
By advertising once, and if they don't like and subscribe, then we're gonna come to their front door as cats. And then we're gonna come to their front door as cats and use the pigeons as a gun.
Oh yes.
I will put the binoculars right up.
For some reason, the pigeons are basketballs. Too.
The binoculars are right up there. Yes, we have to be. We are science.
Wait, let's put the yeah. Where's science, man?
What? I'm gonna go get more essentials.
I'm gonna
what else do we need?
I'm gonna go get the pigeons.
You know what we need? You know what we need?
What?
Weapons as defense.
Oh yes.
That's for the. And we all know that we can use the swords pretty well due to our last IamCat video.
Yeah, check it out. It's called IamCat Sword Duel. I'll figure out a way to paste the link into the description. We can't jump with daggers. Wait, never mind, we can. And guys, like and subscribe Like and subscribe to
Right.
join the Burb Bros.
You said that like 3 times.
You said in our last video, we'll keep saying it till everyone likes and subscribes. Oh well. So guys, tell me in the comments how or if we should make another secret base in another spot. Right now, I'm gonna get the poop guns.
We can't put your names on the screen and you don't know who you are. But I'm giving you a shout out anyway. Whoever you are! Whoever you are, you're getting shout out.
Haha! I got the basketball. Why is it a basketball?
Should we get some drinks?
Oh yes, bring the coffee. There's coffee at the kitchen table. No, the pigeon dead.
Tristan,
Yeah?
I need your help
What do you need my help with?
something.
What is it? Where are you?
I'm by the milk bottle and the giant swordfish.
Okay. Alright, so you're under me.
I need you to take this milk bottle.
I'm flying! Alright.
You need to take it. It's too hard of a task for me. Ew. We must have the crust crab formula.
Oh yes. Then we can make some buggas. Wait,
We
where's
need
the
to have-
crab though? Where's the crab though?
The crab? We'll figure that out. You see, crabs are like red and orange and even yellow and
Yeah.
blue sometimes. And
So for those of you that don't know,
they have 6 legs.
oh yeah.
So we just need to find something that has.
No! Parker died. Well, that's the end of our YouTube video, folks. No, never mind. He's haunting me. No, I can't just.
I am your ghost.
Oh no, he's my ghost. For those of you that don't know, he's just using the microphone. He's not actually a ghost. Alright, no! Oh yes, I almost dropped the bottle last minute.
We have a possible guest. I'm already a guest. Ugh.
Yeah.
I've only been in 3 videos. It's not fair. How come you?
We've only done 5 videos.
No. You've done population 1, and I've seen you double your population 1 on accident. I have something embarrassing to say about you.
What?
That you doubled your population 1 video on accident.
No!
I'm going away.
No, Parker, how'd you do that? Are you a Hackerington? I got a pigeon. I got a poop gun. Parker, I got a poop gun. I got a poop gun.
Am I still alive? Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
you're
alive.
still. I got a poop gun.
Wait a second.
Poop
Where'd you put the milk bottle? Where'd you put the milk bottle?
I put it at the hourglass.
Oh, because I thought that milk bottle was just there and I was gonna crash out. That we had to bring it all. You know what we should decorate?
The top, yeah.
You know what? Birds! No, look. Birds live in the sky. The sky is blue, not red. Blue!
Oh
There are
yes,
birds in the sky!
we must it's also a good disguise.
Look, 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 look. We can do pull-ups. We can do pull-ups here, Tristan.
Oh yes.
Gotta get buff.
No, 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 no! I lost the poop gun.
And I survived.
No,
I survived.
I'm not a
What?
survivor.
Yay, Tristan died.
Shut up, it's not good news.
Yeah.
Wait, we gotta bring a knife to cut up the steak.
Oh yeah.
And we gotta keep
need-
the knife for the food. Well, it wouldn't be a there wouldn't be a kitchen without it. No. Oh, yes. Yes. We're cooking. No. Please tell me it's still there.
Tristan, we can't have a filthy bait.
Oh, yeah,
We
true.
have to have some cleaning
I
supplies.
believe I can fly. All right, so
Clean. No! Why did you do that to me? Ah! They killed me. Tristan, I'll get the...
okay, I'm just saying gibberish. I have the sword and the stone. Our burb. We are birds. Sorry.
Where's Cleaner Broom? No, man, Cleaner
But the
Broom
real
died.
question is where's knifey? We need cookies.
You mean this knife?
Get another
Next
Get another knife.
This one?
Oh
You
no.
barely sur-
No, I didn't survive.
What if I commit mass murder?
No, Parker, you don't have to. No, you missed. You missed. Nah, boo.
Shing! I hit you!
No,
Now
you didn't. You didn't. I have the great sword. I am
On the same
immune.
team.
How can you say that when you were just trying to hurt me?
It's all mine. Mine.
Come on. No, I need. No. Oh, the game just made me fly. And keep in mind, guys, when I'm doing a live stream, you can join me.
Tristan,
Do it Saturday. Yeah?
we need a super... So, we're gonna store all our weapons up here because we can't just have someone running into our base and then they immediately see the weapon and steal it. We have to have a super secret vault.
But we'll also need a.
Sorry.
We'll also need a kitchen knife
Stay.
for.
I think it's a
Mother-
lid.
Oh wait, we forgot the slingshot. Alright.
Tristan,
So we're doing a live stream every Saturday. Unless something goes wrong.
stay.
We'll try.
We lost our weapon.
No! We'll try and do a live stream every Saturday. And when we do, we'll paste the code so you can join us.
We're gonna get out. Get out!
Hey, Parker, this
Because I
Saturday,
don't want you.
Parker, look what I got up here. I got the slingshot. I got a slingshot. I got a slingshot. Guys, again, we're doing a live stream every Friday. Oh, Oh, sniped. Bro just got... No. 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 That's mean. You just got sniped. Parker, I sniped you from 50 miles away.
Nuh-uh. Both of our weapons are lost. I can't find the daggers.
I got the slang shot.
Find the dagger.
Look what I got. No.
What did you get?
Slang
The
shot.
dagger?
I got the slang shot. We can't just be up close. What if they have a gun? Then the gun will be even more powerful. No! My slang shot. Prime of Meridium rib. It's 5-star ribs. Parker! Enjoy some floor food. Parker!
We're out of weapons that we can...
I'm getting...
We're out of weapons that we...
Well, I'm
We're out
getting...
of weapons. We're out of weapons that we can bring. The daggers are gone, and I think the other sword is too long.
Well, I'm getting... Well, we'll need some food.
I must eat all of the food!
Parker! Parker, stop it. We're stocking up.
I must eat all.
Parker, stop it for real. This is for the
I
secret
must eat all
base.
the...
Fine, eat
I
one.
must eat all the food.
Eat
I must
one.
eat all the...
I said
I got rid
eat
of it.
one.
I'll
Parker,
carry it to
for
the
real,
base.
Stop it. All right.
I'll
you
carry it to
grab-
base.
You bring the things to base. Do one at a time.
Hey, can I have some help over here?
You don't bring the entire thing. You just bring some of it.
I know.
Bring one of it at a time.
Can you help me?
I'm making us the food. Cook, 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 cook.
Where'd the food go? Where the heck did the food go? It just despawned.
You could. Sorry, I'm just kidding. No, zucchini. It's a cucumber. Cucumbers are something to fear.
There's only one piece of bacon left, other than the meat. That's up there.
Hey, there's a piece of bacon in here. And it's already cooked. Cook, 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 cook. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Parker, we got a supply drop of bacon.
We don't need healthy stuff. Get rid of the healthy stuff. Birds don't need healthy stuff. They just need food they picked up off the ground.
Twitch. Twitchy. Twit. What? What the heck? Eh. Figuring out. Or while I'm getting.
Nom, nom.
No! Oh, gonna try something.
Taxes was waiting, and the refund you needed yesterday.
I will
Now
steal
Taxes
all
is
the
getting your
food.
refund up to 5 days faster with Credit Karma and TurboTax.
I am.
And getting the guidance to take every
No.
dollar further. Now this is Taxes.
I'm gonna eat all the food.
No, Parker, you can't.
We're here.
You're too fat to eat any more food. If you eat any more food, you'll die.
Bro, like, bro, what the
What?
fuck? I'm coming down.
Um,
Coming down.
No.
Where are you?
No.
Sign up. I'm getting a Twitch account right now.
The last piece of bacon.
Parker,
Yum.
no, you can't. You can't.
Nom.
Rest. Wait. Burr.
Kristen?
Yeah? Bros.
No one around to stop me. Looks like the bacon is mine! Must have more! Must have more food.
Hey.
Must have all the food.
Parker, what are you doing?
I must have all the food.
Hold on, wait, I'm gonna try, I'm making this, I'm trying to get a live.
She's stacking up. Spread out.
Don't worry, I'll transport it to the bay.
Alright. What? Okay, sorry guys, I misclicked. No, I don't want to play Population 1 right now. Where's the stupid thing? I accidentally,
I got it. Go.
I accidentally left. No, we can still continue it. It's not a stream, it's a video. Yeah, I'm still videoing. I don't know editing yet. Alright, what's the code? PHNBKQ. 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 No, not A. Q. Yippee! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, frick. I can't see anything. Parker, we'll have to wrap the video up. It's almost time for I think it's time for dinner. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh,
Hang on, wait.
hold on, wait.
You.
What?
You will not stop me.
Parker?
Will not stop me from eating the food.
Parker, no! I'll be down in a moment! Parker, it's time to wrap up the video. Let's do a live stream after this.